Come on. Come on, August. Come on. No, wrong way. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Come on. Over here. Let's go. Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's once again from the CZLife.com. And today, I'm going to go through my website redesign. Now, I'm going to try to sneak in as much work as I possibly can because it's going to be tricky for me because wifey is away at work. She's away in LA right now for work, and I'm here with little man for the entire weekend. So I'm going to try and get some, father-son time in. And this is exactly why I'm doing all of this. I want to create that freedom, that location freedom where I'm not tied down to anything or anywhere. I could just pick up and go. Me and my little man could just go to the park, walk around the pond. So that's my big why. I want to be able to provide a great future for him, leave a legacy behind, you know what I'm saying? And this is the best way I know how. Over time, maybe I'll invest in some real estate, and create some more businesses, some more opportunities. But right now I want to build this, leave this legacy behind, use this as a proof of concept and pivot from there. And gonna try and get as much as I can done this weekend before, next week, because next week's gonna be crazy. Anyway, let me get back to work. Comment, subscribe. I don't know if I'm gonna end the video right here, but if I do, comment, subscribe, and holla at your boy.